As always, I will give you grams for this recipe in the description box at the bottom of the video. But in here I have half a cup of whole spelt flour and half a cup of oat flour. All I did was put half a cup of oats, rolled oats, in my blender and powder them. You can use only whole wheat flour for this if you prefer. I also have underneath there a teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In this bowl I have 3/4 cups of sour cream. You can use Greek yogurt as well for this recipe. I have a tablespoon of raw honey and I have a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm gonna beat an egg and I'm gonna add it. I'm also going to add a tablespoon of butter, which I melted and cooled down. As you can see, this is thick. I am now going to start thinning it out with a tablespoon of milk at a time. I will use oat milk. All right, that will do it. That was 3 tablespoons, but I had a little splash, so this is perfect. I'm going to cook these on this griddle. So I'm melting some butter. We're working on medium heat, guys. Nice and fluffy, and these are thick, so I want to make sure that they're cooked through. All right, let's taste these. Put some butter. I'm gonna serve these with maple syrup, but you can use honey as well. So let's see. Check it out. Nice and fluffy. Oof. Delicious. Tell you what, with the honey we put in the batter, you really don't need a lot of syrup on top of it. Oh guys, I hope you make this. I think you're gonna love it. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you soon.